Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Skills and Craft. Today we are going to discuss about a subscriber limit error. Sometime we are going to subscribe some channel and we face the error, sorry something went wrong, you have too many subscription compared to your number of subscribers. So what can we do? How can we subscribe that channel? So in this video we are going to discuss how can we solve this problem. So if you like my video, please press the like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the new information of my new videos and comment on the comment box. Now for example, I'm going to subscribe this channel. What will happen? So when I press the subscribe button, I face this error. Sorry, something went wrong. You have too many subscription compared to your number of subscriber. Okay. What will happen? Okay, I'll come to another channel. Let's see what will happen if I'm going to subscribe this channel this time. Oops, the same error. What can I do now? According to Google Help and Support, these are the sites. You can only subscribe 75 channels per day. For new YouTube channels, maximum limit of subscription is 1000 channels. In general, you can subscribe maximum 2000 channels. However, your subscription limit grows as your YouTube channel grows. It's up to the number of subscribers your channel has or how long your account has existed. So your exact limit may change over time to time. So the maximum limit of subscription is 5000 channels. So what can I do now? How can I know that how many subscribers I have? Okay, open your YouTube channel, go to the address bar and write www.youtube.com/subscription_manager/ Wait till the next page will open. Now, how many subscription you have will appear on your screen. My subscription is full, but I want to add new channel. So what is the solution? Go to the subscription and then manage. You may be subscribed some channels which may be not useful for you anymore, so you can unsubscribe it. And then there may be some channel which you mistakenly subscribe but they do not have any video, so unsubscribe that channel as well. Now I unsubscribe so many channels which I don't need. So let me check, can I subscribe new channel? Yes, it is. Wow, great, it's done. So this is my video, hope you like it. Please press the like button and share it with your friends and family and comment on it. And if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.